Drums Up from Vevetos Wellness is the only Ayurvedic supplement that can help you to protect yourself from more than 300 diseases. If you are watching this video, it means you have come across a lot of dietary supplements in the market which are of no use. Stop wasting money doing trial and error on your health. Remember, you were born healthy, right? So it's time now to live healthy. Drums Up is one of its kind Ayurvedic product in the whole world, which helps to take care of all the 11 systems of the human body. Let me show you how. Well, I am Dr. Abdul Rashid Khan, a dynamic leader and product trainer in Vevetos Wellness Private Limited. As you all know, the human body is made up of 11 body systems, starting from the circulatory system, the digestive system, endocrine system, exocrine system, lymphatic system, muscular system, nervous system, renal or urinary system, reproductive system, respiratory system, and skeletal system. Now let me take up with the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of many things, but the most important one is the blood. And the blood consists of many things, but the important one is the RBC, which contains the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is an essential element for blood production and transportation of oxygen and nutrients to cells and tissues. The normal range of hemoglobin should be in men around 14 to 18, whereas in women it should be between 12 to 16. The typical symptoms when hemoglobin goes low are weakness, the shortness of breath, dizziness, fast and irregular heartbeat, pounding in the ears, headache, cold hands and feet, pale or yellow skin, chest pain. The shortage of hemoglobin is considered to be anemia, and because of the anemia, the symptoms which can be seen are in eyes, the skin, respiratory, muscular, intestinal, the central brain, the blood vessels, in the heart, and even spleen. According to WHO, about 25% of the total world population is anemic. But since my target audience is India, I have taken the Indian statistics, wherein a study says 51% of the Indian women who are between the ages of 15 to 49 are anemic, and 1 in 4 Indian men may have anemia. Anemia generally impacts the physical growth, the mental and work capacity, and the lives of future generations. Why? Because what we could see from the statistics is more than 50% of the adolescent girls, the women in the reproductive age, the pregnant ladies, and the breastfeeding mothers are anemic. And the government of India is also running a campaign, Anemia Mukt Bharat. That means anemia free India. So now we know that there's a big problem in the whole world. Do we have a solution? Yes, of course. The solution is from the mother nature itself. As Hippocrates says, nature itself is the best physician. Scientific research has shown us that a few ingredients, when formulated in a controlled composition, it will give a synergistic effect to balance all the 11 systems of the human body. So those few ingredients are grown organically without any chemicals, under the company's strict supervision, and formulated using nanotechnology in highly sophisticated labs. So from the nature, we have one ingredient known as Moringa oleifera. Moringa oleifera is very good for health. If you just take up the fresh leaves, it has lot of benefits compared to the normal foods what we have. Whereas the dried leaves are more better compared to the fresh leaves. So Moringa oleifera has anti-aging elements. It helps in mind focusing, amplifies energy, successfully reduces blood pressure, helps in burning fat, relieves from gastric ulcers, it kills cancerous cells, and Moringa oleifera improves our mood by reducing stress. Coming to the next ingredient, Withania somnifera, which is called as ashwagandha in Indian language. The benefits of Withania somnifera are, it aids in improving vitality and fertility, stimulates secretion of thyroid hormones, effective in controlling bacterial infections, boosts immunity and treats seizures and convulsions, relieves stress, anxiety and depression, provides relief from inflammation and pain, beneficial in treating diabetes and cataracts, and it strengthens heart muscles and controls cholesterol. The next ingredient, the Glycyrrhiza glabra. It protects against heartburn, indigestion, nausea and stomach pain. It is anti-inflammatory, protects against ulcerative disorders, improves the gut health. It regulates cortisol, the stress hormone. It improves immunity, prevents diseases like hepatitis C, HIV, and influenza. Relieves from cough and sore throat. It gives estrogen effect to women for menstrual and fertility related concerns. Being antispasmodic, it relieves from abdominal and muscular cramps, also relieves eczema related pains and other skin conditions. Now coming to the fourth ingredient, Shilajit. The benefits of Shilajit are it's an adaptogen, anti-aging, decreases fatigue, maintains brain function, boosts performance and pleasure, supports fertility in men, enhances spiritual power, detoxifies, enhances energy and stamina, and it calms down the nervous system. Now for the important ingredient, the nanomedicine. It's a new hope for life. It's a science of diagnosing, treating and preventing disease and traumatic injury. It's a science of relieving pain. It's a science of preserving and improving human health using molecular tools and molecular knowledge of the human body. They are the bhasmas, the ancient Indian nanomedicine. The importance, or you can say the benefits of bhasmas. It maintains optimum alkalinity for optimum health, provides easily absorbed and usable minerals, cleanses the kidneys, intestines and liver, maintains stronger bones and healthier teeth, alleviates insomnia, the depression, keeps rhythmic heart beating, it maintains the mineral balance. The bhasmas used are Mandura Bhasma, Pravala Bhasma, Sankha Bhasma, Chandra Prabhavati and Loha Bhasma. In all, the bhasmas are 56 ingredients. So, by using all the 56 ingredients of the bhasmas and the 4 important ingredients, the Moringa oleifera, Withania somnifera, Glycyrrhiza glabra and Shilajit, all put together, one product is made with a final formulation of 60 ingredients, and that is Drums Up. It's thunder inside. Now let me tell you the highlights of Drums Up. When a person with hemoglobin outside the normal range starts taking Drums Up, it helps to bring the level of hemoglobin and the red blood cells within the normal range by the end of first month itself. So Drums Up helps us to take care of all the 11 body systems and supports to prevent and even get rid of more than 300 diseases. Now let me tell you the overall benefits of taking Drums Up. It helps to increase RBC production and hemoglobin formation, helps boost immunity, helps to support pregnant women after 4th month and lactating mothers also. Generally if you see many medicines and supplements, it will be written as not for pregnant ladies and not for lactating mothers. But this is the first Ayurvedic health supplement in the world which supports pregnant ladies and which supports lactating mothers. For pregnant ladies, you can start giving from the 4th month onwards, because if the blood of the pregnant lady is strong enough and healthy enough, it will support the newborn without any diseases. Helps in improving skin health, helps to control BP levels and hypertension. It's very good for brain health and helps to enhance memory and cognition. Helps to improve respiratory function and also relieves from bronchial asthma. It prevents the kidney stone formation. Helps to increase energy levels, stamina and endurance. Helps to boost athletic performance naturally. It improves endocrinal function like thyroid, adrenal gland, etc. Helps to reduce stress and fatigue. It strengthens the bones and teeth. It helps to protect against stomach ulcers. It helps to achieve better sleep pattern and decreases anxiety. It helps to reduce rheumatoid arthritis symptoms and helps in slowing down the aging. Fulfills complete nutrition, increases male fertility and supports increase in sperm cell production. It helps in weight management and supports subcutaneous fat reduction. Helps to prevent diabetes mellitus. It controls cholesterol levels and protects the heart. Helps to promote functions that protects liver from damage. It helps to boost the digestive system function. Helps as an anti-inflammatory. Helps to improve mitochondrial function and energy levels. Helps to improve central nervous system function. And the list goes on. There are a lot of benefits. That's why previously I told it helps to prevent from more than 300 diseases. Now let me tell you the dosage pattern of Drums Up. You get 90 capsules in the Drums Up bottle. It's an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. Hence the doctor's prescription is not required. For the first 5 days, 1 capsule 1 hour after breakfast can be taken. If you feel any uneasiness, nothing to worry, the product is working. Let the new ingredients, the bhasmas, get adjusted with your body. From the 6th day onwards, you can take 1 capsule half an hour before breakfast and 1 capsule half an hour before dinner. So 90 days course of Drums Up may be enough for the whole year for normal people. Whereas anemic people or persons with low hemoglobin can take 2 capsules daily for 4 to 6 months. You are advised to take a complete blood count test and some other parameters as shown here before starting with Drums Up, and you can take once again after 90 days to have documented results. Come, let's join hands together and create an anemia-free world. When you start taking Drums Up and start reaping the benefits, kindly share with your friends and family. It is only by sharing that we can fulfill the vision of our company to create an anemia-free world. Apart from Drums Up, we also have a range of products to address various health issues. To buy any of the product, do subscribe to my channel and you can watch my video how to buy Vevetos products. And to know more about each product, you can also watch the videos on individual product. To know more about the company, Vevetos Wellness Private Limited, situated in Bangalore at World Trade Center, and the architect behind the products, watch my video, Introduction to Vevetos. You can also visit Dr. Chella's personal website, drchella.com, that is drchella.com, to know more about Dr. Chella's achievements and various activities. So finally, if you are benefited by Drums Up or any other product of Vevetos, kindly upload a 1-minute video of yours showing your before and after blood test report, similar to the thousands of people who have uploaded their videos on YouTube. Thank you very much for your time and patience. Let's create an anemia-free world. Purchase your Drums Up today. For any health issues and clarifications, you can always call or WhatsApp me 24/7. I am Dr. Abdul Rashid Khan, your doctor on call for preventive health care. Remember, you were born healthy. It's time to live healthy and lead a healthy life. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Vevetos.